Hi, how are you doing? This is Analysis by Doing. I'm Manu Vasudevan, Data Analyst and Certified AWS Solutions Architect at your service. Welcome to Analysis by Doing, a series of data analysis sessions in which we do hands-on projects analyzing data using Amazon Web Services. The target audience is aspiring data analysts and AWS Cloud enthusiasts. What good is any knowledge when not put to good use? We will exercise our AWS skills on the terrain of data science. Join us in our data analytics journey in the vehicle of Amazon Web Services. Welcome to this session on eCom data analysis. We will review our portfolio website before the eCom data analysis project. Perform an overview of the following. Analyze and visualize the retail dataset, including read in the dataset, data munging and wrangling, identify best and worst selling items, best value and best volume customers, best value customer base, exports analysis and reporting, pivot tables to strategize improvement, and monthly and quarterly sales analysis. Then, update index.html to publish our eCom data analysis project. We will upload the new eCom data analysis project file to the S3 portfolio bucket. We will then review our updated portfolio website after the eCom data analysis project. Next, we will stop but not terminate the Analysis EC2 instance. Finally, we will perform best practices, review billing dashboard, and our budget alarm. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Hit the bell icon below to actively follow along with the rest of our series. We have performed exports analysis and reporting. Let's create some pivot tables to strategize improvement. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags where to pivot for improvement. Then hit Alt and Enter. Let us review our weakest sale month. Key in the code FebDF. Then hit Alt and Enter. Create a data frame with the item's sales quantities in the single digit. Key in the code quantity mask equals within parentheses febdf.quantity is less than 10. Feblowdf equals febdf.lock within brackets quantity mask.copy function. Feblowdf. Then hit Alt and Enter. Review the column data types of the February load data frame. Key in the code feblowdf.info function. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that invoice date is a date time column. Trim away the trailing time part in the invoice date column. Key in the code feblowdf within brackets invoice date equals feblowdf.invoicedate.dt.date. Feblowdf. Then hit Alt and Enter. We have trimmed away the trailing time part in the invoice date column. Generate a pivot table of the sale quantities indexed on customers aggregating the invoice quantities. Key in the code febcustpt equals feblowdf.pivottable within parentheses index equals customer ID, columns equals invoice date, values equals quantity, agfunc equals sum, margins equals true, dot fill NA with a blank space, dot copy function, febcustpt. Then hit Alt and Enter. The blank cells denote days when the customer did not place any order. Because we specified margins equals true, the row and column named all sums up the row and column values respectively. In the pivot table, shortlist the 20 lowest buying customers. Key in the code febcustpt.sortValues within parentheses all .head within parentheses 20. Then hit Alt and Enter. The table extract shows customers with the least sale activity in the month of February. Press Ctrl S to save your notebook. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags Alizon.com's worst selling items. Then hit Alt and Enter. Which is our worst selling item, sale amount wise? Key in the code. Worst seller df equals retail df dot group by description dot sum function list within a list quantity comma total price dot sort values on total price dot head within parentheses 10. Worst seller df dot reset index within parentheses in place equals true. Worst seller df. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that the backslash merely provides continuity to the next line without violating code indentation rules. That is the list of our bottom selling items, dollar amount wise. Draw a horizontal bar plot for total price on the bottom 10 selling items, value wise. Key in the code. Set the fig size to 12,4. SNS.barplot within parentheses data equals worst seller df, comma x equals total price, comma y equals description. plt.title within parentheses Alizon.com's bottom sellers. Then hit Alt and Enter. Pads to match all cushions is our losing item of the year. Let us review our weakest sale month. Key in the code FebDF. Then hit Alt and Enter. Review our data frame with the item sales quantities in the single digit. Key in the code FebLowDF. Then hit Alt and Enter. Generate a pivot table of the sale quantities indexed on description, aggregating the invoice quantities. Key in the code Feb item PT equals FebLowDF.pivotTable within parentheses index equals description, columns equals invoice date, values equals quantity, agfunc equals sum, margins equals true, fill NA with a blank space, copy function, Feb item PT. Then hit Alt and Enter. The blank cells denote days when the item did not sell in any order. In the pivot table, shortlist the 20 lowest selling items. Key in the code Feb item PT dot sort values within parentheses all dot head within parentheses 20. Then hit Alt and Enter. The table extract shows items with the least sale activity in the month of February. Press Ctrl S to save your notebook. We have created pivot tables to strategize improvement. Let's perform monthly and quarterly sales analyses. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags assemble quarterly sales data frames from monthly sales data frames. Create quarterly sales data from the monthly data frames. Then hit Alt and Enter. Let's concatenate every 3 months sales data into a quarterly data frame. Key in the code Q1DF equals pd.concat within parentheses a list JanDF, FebDF, MarchDF, and so on for the other 3 quarters and months. Q4 DF. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that quarter 4's data frame has invoices from October and November 2011 and December 2010. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags Alizon.com's quarterly sales analysis. Then hit Alt and Enter. How much did we sell in the first quarter? Key in the code round within parentheses Q1DF within brackets total price sum function. Then hit Alt and Enter. We pulled in over $1.5 million in the first quarter. Draw a line plot on the first quarter invoices data frame showing cumulative total price over invoice date. Key in the code, set the fig size to 12,4, SNS.lineplot within parentheses x equals Q1DF within brackets invoice date, comma y equals Q1DF within brackets total price .cumSum function. Then hit Alt and Enter. This will take a couple of minutes to come up, so please be patient. Again, We love to see the climbing sales line. Create a list of the quarterly total sales. Key in the code. Quarter sales equals list round of quarter 1 df dot total price dot sum function, comma, and so on for the other quarter total price sum values. Quarter sales. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that December monthly sales data, which is from the year 2010's invoices, is in the fourth quarter in the list. Create a list of the quarterly sale quantities. Key in the code. Quarter quantities equals list quarter 1 df dot quantity dot sum function, comma, and so on for the other quarter quantity sum values. Quarter quantities. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that December monthly quantities data, which is from the year 2010's invoices, is in the fourth quarter in the list. Create a list of the quarter names. Key in the code. Quarter names equals list of strings, first quarter Q1, comma, second quarter Q2, comma, third quarter Q3, comma, fourth quarter Q4. Quarter names. Then hit Alt and Enter. Create a data frame of the quarterly sales data. Key in the code. Quarters df equals pd.dataframe within parentheses a dictionary. Quarter is quarter names. Amount is quarter sales. Quantity is quarter quantities. Quarters df. Then hit Alt and Enter. It shows our sales and quantities in each of the quarters. Which is our best sales quarter? Key in the code. Quarters df dot sort values within parentheses amount, comma, ascending equals false. Then hit Alt and Enter. We did our best sales in the last quarter and worst in the first. Draw a pie plot of Alizon.com's quarterly sales. Key in the code. Quarters df dot set index within parentheses quarter dot head within parentheses 10 dot plot dot pie. Set the fixed size to 8, comma, y equals amount. plt.title within parentheses Alizon.com quarterly sales. Then hit Alt and Enter. The last quarter has the major chunk of the pie. Draw a pie plot of Alizon.com's quarterly sales quantities. Key in the code. Quarters df dot set index within parentheses quarter dot head within parentheses 10 dot plot dot pie. Set the fixed size to 8, comma, y equals quantity. plt.title within parentheses Alizon.com quarterly sales quantities. Then hit Alt and Enter. The last quarter has the major chunk of the volume pie also. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags, download this project notebook and data file. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in, right-click and select Save Link As to download within angle brackets href equals within quotes ecom-data-analysis.ipynb, this notebook and a tag. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in, click within angle brackets ahref equals within quotes https://archive.ics.uci.edu/ml/datasets/online plus retail. Here, and a tag to go and download the ecom retail dataset. Then hit Alt and Enter. Click beside any empty cell. From the top menu bar, click Edit, then delete cells. Or, in command mode, press the D key twice to delete the current cell. From the top menu bar, click Kernel, then restart and run all. Confirm by clicking on Restart and run all cells. This will take more than a few minutes to complete, so please be patient. Wait for the gray circle in the top right corner of the notebook to become and stay white. After the rerun completes, review all the output on all cells and ensure that no cell has error output. Click beside the last cell with Python code. From Command Mode, press B to add a new code cell below. Generate a list of the libraries and their versions in this project environment. Key in the code, !conda list. Then hit Alt and Enter. Your project documentation now includes the list of libraries and their versions used. Click on the File menu option on the menu bar on top. Click Save in Checkpoint to save this notebook as ecom-data-analysis in your previously chosen working directory. Click on the File menu option on the menu bar on top. Choose Download As, then choose HTML. Click on the up arrow next to the downloaded file. Click on Open. View the ecom-data-analysis.html file. Note that the JPEG image files are not in the download folder. Close the browser window. Close the Anaconda PowerShell command window. Open File Explorer. In the left pane of File Explorer, expand the Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1 folder. Move the downloaded ecom-data-analysis.html to the Project 5 subdirectory. Click on the Project 5 folder. Double-click on the ecom-data-analysis.html. View your final ecom-data-analysis.html. Close the browser window. Close File Explorer. Having performed the monthly and quarterly sales analyses, let's update index.html to reference our ecom data analysis project page. After RDPing into our Analysis EC2 instance, click on the Visual Studio Code icon in the taskbar. Expand the Visual Studio Code window. Click on File, then on Open Folder. In the left pane of the Open Folder window, navigate to Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1. Click Select Folder. In Visual Studio Code, in the left pane, click on index.html. Select the Project 2/NumPy overview line. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Scroll down to the H6 tagline below our last project and press Ctrl+V to paste it. In the new line, update the href tag to project-5/ecom-data-analysis.html. Update the text to ecom data analysis. Press Ctrl+S to save the index.html file. Click on the Go Live icon at the bottom right of Visual Studio Code. In the Portfolio page, click on the Ecom Data Analysis project to see the page. Review your Ecom Data Analysis project page. Close the browser window. In Visual Studio Code, click on File drop-down. Select Close Folder. Again, click on File drop-down and select Exit at the very bottom. We have updated index.html to publish our Ecom Data Analysis project. Let's upload the portfolio website files to our Portfolio S3 bucket. After RDPing into the Analysis EC2 instance, open Chrome browser. Navigate to aws.com. Click on Sign into the console on the top right. In the Sign in as IAM user page, enter your account ID. Enter your admin username Analyst1. Enter the password and click on Sign in. In the AWS console, in the search bar, key in S3 and enter to land on the S3 console. Click on the ABD Portfolio 1 bucket. In the ABD Portfolio 1 bucket page, click on the Upload button. Click on the File Explorer icon in the taskbar. Navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1. Select the file index.html by clicking on it and drag it onto the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected file. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. In the ABD Portfolio 1 bucket page, click on Create Folder. In the Create Folder page, enter folder name as Project-5. Click on Create Folder. Click on the folder Project 5. Click on the Upload button. Press Alt-Tab to toggle to the File Explorer. Navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 5. Select the files ecom-data-analysis.html and ecom-data-analysis.ipynb, the Jupyter Notebook file, by clicking on them with the Shift key pressed and drag them on to the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected files. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. On the Project 5 folder, click on Create Folder button. On the Create Folder page, in the Folder section, key in the folder name Images and click on Create Folder button. Click on the folder Images. Click on the Upload button. Press Alt-Tab to toggle to the File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 5, Images. Click on the right pane and press Ctrl-A to select all the image files. Drag them on to the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected files. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. Click on the Project 5 folder link on the top left breadcrumb. Click on Create Folder button. On the Create Folder page, in the Folder section, key in the folder name Data. Click on Create Folder button. Click on the folder Data. Click on the Upload button. Press Alt-Tab to toggle to the File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 5, Data. Click on the right pane. Select the file onlineretail.xlsx in the folder. Drag it on to the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected file. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. On the top right of your AWS console, click on your account alias, and in the drop-down, click Sign Out. Close the browser window. Close File Explorer. Close the Remote Desktop window. Confirm OK. We have uploaded the portfolio website files to our S3 portfolio bucket. Let's access our just updated portfolio website from our personal laptop or desktop. Back in the AWS console, in the search bar, key in CloudFront and hit Enter. Click on your portfolio website distribution. In the CloudFront distribution page, Details section, click on the copy icon next to the distribution domain name. You can reference this URL in your resume, business, and social media links to further your data analysis career. CloudFront might take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to propagate the file changes in your website. Also, you may need to clear the browsing data in your browser to fetch the latest website deployment. Open a new browser tab. Paste your portfolio URL in the address bar and hit enter. In your website, click on the Ecom Data Analysis link and view your Ecom Data Analysis project. Right-click and select Save Link As to download this Jupyter Notebook. Save the notebook in your Downloads folder. Click on the arrow next to the downloaded file. Select Show in Folder. Note that your Ecom Data Analysis notebook file is available in your Downloads folder. This notebook may be opened in a Jupyter Notebook web application after creating the right environment and subfolders. We have updated our portfolio website with our Ecom Data Analysis project documentation and published it for free on CloudFront. Let's put our data analysis server to sleep for now. And, as best practice, let's review our billing dashboard and budget alarm. Back in the AWS console, key in EC2 in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the region drop-down next to your account alias. Select the region where you had created your analysis EC2. Mine was Ohio. In the EC2 dashboard, in the left pane, click on Instances. Check the Running Analysis EC2 and click on the Instance State drop-down. Then select Stop Instance. In the Stop Instance confirmation pop-up window, click on Stop. Refresh the screen after a few minutes till the Instance State column shows Stopped. In the AWS console, click on your account alias on the top right. From the drop-down options, choose Billing Dashboard. Scroll down to view any costs incurred. Hopefully, we should not be seeing any charges. In the AWS console search bar, key in CloudWatch and hit enter. Close any notification windows. Click on the region drop-down next to your account alias and select North Virginia. Again, close any notification windows. In the CloudWatch console's left pane, expand the Alarms submenu. Click on Billing. Click on your Charges alarm, which watches for charges above $1. Review the graph for any charges. Scroll down to the Details section and click on the History tab. Review the list of updates for any Alarm On status. You may sign out of your AWS console. Congratulations! As you can see, we have successfully marked all our milestones off our list. We have downloaded a real e-commerce retail dataset and cleaned it by munging and wrangling the data. Also, we identified the best-selling items, value and volume customers, and value customer base. After that, we analyzed exports and wrote code to automate reporting. Furthermore, we looked at pivot tables to strategize improvement and analyzed monthly and quarterly sales. Finally, we updated our project portfolio website with this latest project on e-commerce data analysis. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud enthusiasts. Thanks for watching! Until our next session, this is Manu Vasudevan wishing you a very happy analysis by doing. Stay tuned and hit the bell icon below to be notified of our latest and greatest project videos.